Yes, Shank. So coming to fourth question, it was given that to write each of the following expressions as a log n. That means you have to apply different logarithmic formulas and you have to express it as a single log number. And you have to find the value of n. Now see here, you can assume the base is 10. Okay, now the first question is log 2 plus log 5. Log 2 plus log 5. And log 2 plus log 5 is in the form of log m plus log n. Log m plus log n. So therefore log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. So therefore log 2 plus log 5 is equal to log 2 into 5, that is equal to log 10. And if we assume the base as 10, so it will be log log 10 base 10. The answer will be 1, because whenever if a logarithm is there, if it is having the same number and is also base also same number, then the answer is 1. Now coming to second question. Log 16 minus log 2. It is in the form of log m minus log n. Log m minus log n is given by log m by n. So log 16 minus log 2, that means log 16 by 2, that is equal to log 8. Now we can leave as this, or we can write like this, log 8 to the base 10. So the value of n here is log 8. So the single value of log 16 minus log 2 is log 8. And similarly, third question, 3 log 4. It can be expressed as single log using this formula. It is in the form of log x to the power of y. So whenever we have a number or we have a power to the number in logarithm, the power will multiply before the logarithm. So that will become y log x. Now, if we have a number, or if we have a number multiplying to log, so that will go to the power. So it will become log 4 cube. So that will be log 64. Right? Now coming to fourth question. It is 2 times log 3 minus 3 times log 2. 2 times log 3 minus 3 times log 2. Now, if you want to solve this problem, we cannot apply simply log m minus log n. We cannot simply apply log m minus log n. Because to apply this formula, there should not be any coefficients presenting before log m and log n. There should not be any coefficients. Or I can say simply, log should be free from coefficients. But here if you observe carefully, 2 is being multiplied with log 3 and 3 is being multiplied with log 2. So we have to send these numbers to the powers. So that will become log 3 square minus log 2 cube. So that will become log 3 square is log 9 minus log 2 cube is log 8. So that will become log 9 minus log 8. Log m minus log n. Now it is the form of formula log m minus log n, that will become log m by n. So it is given by log 9 by 8. So similarly, log 243 plus log 1. And log 1 with any base, be it be log 10 or be it be base log e or something, whatever it may be, log 1 is always 0. So the answer is log 243. Now coming to sixth question, log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Now log 10, since the base is 10, so I can take this value as 1, because log with a number and the same base is always equal to 1, plus 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. We cannot directly apply formula to this, so we have to send this 2 to the power. So log 3 square minus log 2. So that will become 1 plus log 9 minus log 2, or if we want to express it as a single logarithm, we should not convert log 10 as 1. So I'll keep like this, log 10 log 10, I'll keep like this. So now see here, log 10 plus log 9 minus log 2. So log 10 plus log 9 minus log 2. So log 10 plus log 9 is log m plus log n, log m into n, log 90 minus log 2. So that means log 90 by 2, log 45. Log m minus log n is given by log m by n. Okay, that's it.